Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the box by Fashionsta. And if you haven't heard of the box before, it's by Fashionsta, Fashion S-T-A. And I was watching a lot of videos about this box on YouTube, and I fell in love without even doing a whole lot of research on it. I absolutely knew I wanted to try out the box, and I'm so excited I finally got it because they have a very limited number of boxes that they actually send out. So if you're interested, what you do is you go to the Fashionsta website and you sign up to be on the wait list. And the reason they do this is because they have a selection of incredible products that they only give out to a certain amount of people, so nobody's left out without getting one of the many products they send out. So in order to know how many boxes to make, they have a limited number of subscriptions that they give out. So I was on the wait list for about 2 months before I finally had access to subscribe to the box, and it just came in the mail, and I'm so excited because it's my first time opening up the box by Fashionsta, and it's huge. Look at that. I think it's only $19.99 a month for the box. That's like 4 coffees, maybe 2 fast food meals. I don't know, but it's definitely worth it because they're full of full-size products. And we're going to open it up and see what's in here this month. I try not to watch too many spoiler videos, but I couldn't help myself because I was so excited to get this finally. And it's beautiful. It says, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. I hope so. I want to personally welcome you to the box by Fashionsta Glam Fam, a consciously curated collection of classic brands and the unveiling of new and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each month. Sincerely, Fashionsta CEO. They give you a card that explains each product inside the box, and it says it has a total retail value of $151. So the contents of this box total $151 for just $20, you guys. And you don't pay for shipping and you don't pay for tax, so that's $20 flat a month. And it's so exciting. So I'm going to open this up and see what we got. It's so pretty. It's packaged beautifully with the tissue paper and the box sticker. And I love packaging, you guys. I love branding. They got their brand on their paper and on the sticker and on the box. They really know how to put together a good product. And I'm so excited. I don't want to mess it up too much. And it has coiled paper inside here to pack it in there. That's exciting. Oh, yay. So I'm going to go for the green product. You guys know I love green. It's my favorite color. This is Teami Detox Mask. It's a green tea blend, matcha, lemongrass, and clay. And this is a full-size product, and it's perfect for all skin types, it says. It's cruelty-free. And the box is so pretty. It's soft. I've never heard of Teami before, but this is 4 ounces of a green tea mask, and I just ran out of my other green tea mask, so I have something now to replace it with. And it's so pretty. Look at that. That is a great product. Let's see how much it's worth. It says it's $30 if you buy it retail. This mineral-rich green tea detox mask is a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay, this mask is formulated to rid pores and impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. Yay! Now if we only had more time during the day to do masks. Oh, and it's sealed. And it smells so pretty. Look at that color. I can definitely smell the lemongrass. Lemongrass is so soothing and enlightening. It's got a really fresh, uplifting scent. It's beautiful. So I'm going to put the lid on really nice and tight because I don't want it to dry out. I'll probably use that tonight. Cool. All right. So what's next in the box? This is Melanie and Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance. Have you heard of this? It's called Disco Gold. And what I think this is a kind of a body bronzer, but it has shimmer in it. So I'm going to open it up and try and see what it looks like. I really wish I would have had this for the concert I went to make my shoulders and collarbone stand out more and shimmer and shine at a concert. It's like the perfect thing for going out on the town or doing an event. Look at it, it looks like pure gold. But it's not too dark, it blends right in. Oh yeah, that is like gold on your hands. Oh my goodness. Now my hands are gold, I feel like Midas. It's really shimmery. All right then. Melanie and Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance. I might have to wash that off my hands after I put it on because it is super shimmery. But I can see it glitter in my skin. Gosh, that's so sexy, so pretty. Wow. So what's this product in here? I think it's mascara. No, it is a Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner by Cailyn. That is a jumbo eyeliner. Let's see what it says. Achieve effortless control and dramatic definition with this ultra-rich jumbo felt tip liquid eyeliner. So it's a felt tip. The large tapered tip of the Cailyn liquid eyeliner ensures bold, dramatic detailing. This easy glide, smudge-free liquid eyeliner adheres quickly to the skin for waterproof wear. Waterproof is cool, and you don't want it to kind of run around your eyes, so it's good it dries fast. I'll have to try it out. I'm not going to open it right away, but I like that it's a full size, and I haven't used a felt tip eyeliner yet, so that's a cool product. Cailyn, one I've never heard of before, and I'm getting glitter all over everything. Anyway, okay, so this product got lots of funny reviews online. I did watch the spoilers. I already know what this is. This is VV Serum, Very V. Beauty Serum for the V. That's right, you said it. What? The V. And I didn't even know they made a product like this. And I'm actually really excited about it because who knew, right? A luxury skincare line to beautify the V. The V, a small triangle that we wax, shave, laser sugar, blah, 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 blah. You know what the V is. I know what the V is. And this is the product to help rejuvenate, revitalize, and firm. So 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce of product. So this is definitely a full-size product. And it's from Nordic Purity, inspired by Scandinavia, so that's cool. It's got Arctic cloudberry, bilberry, elderflower, lingoberry, rose, fruit oil, and sea buckthorn. So a whole bunch of natural ingredients I've never heard of. It'll be interesting to find out what those products do. But that's pretty cool, right? How much is this? This retails for $54, and it is the 2018 Pure Beauty Awards bronze winner. it says it's a must-have for your daily beauty routine. It has vitamin E in it, and yeah, a whole bunch of other secret instructions. So you'll just have to try that out for yourself. The VB serum. So cool. Here's a little more modest product. It's a mask. Yes, we love the masks. This is a derma mask with hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid is really good for breakouts and for minimizing lines. And let's see how much this goes for. $3. So not that much. It's developed by the Korean skincare experts at Lapcos. Oh, so it's a Korean beauty mask. That's cool. So we got V serum from Scandinavia. We got a mask from Korea. We got jumbo liquid eyeliner and some really shiny gold glittery lotion that is really distracting, but really pretty. And the Detox mask, and it doesn't say where that's from. I'm assuming it's from somewhere in the US. Yeah, it's from Florida. So lots of really cool brands. I haven't heard of any of these, but I like that they give you a mask. These are nice to have on hand, and all of the instructions are in Korean. So, but it does say cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. That is key, guys. No parabens, no sulfates, and no cruelty. What's next? Embrace yourself, Realher. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette. Look at all these full-size products I just got in this box. And I haven't seen what these colors look like yet. Realher 4 eyeshadow palette. Another brand I've never heard of. Bear with me while I try to break into this palette. I am so happy with this box. This is the last product in the box, and I think I got a killer deal. I got eyeshadow, 2 eye masks, 1 eye mask that will last me a super long time because it's a full-size clay and you don't go through that very fast. A jumbo eyeliner, some really ritzy gold, body glow. Realher donates part of their proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research right here in the US. That's another cool brand. I'm glad they sent me this product because I had no idea that there were brands like this that did things that would give back to good causes. So it makes you feel better about spending money on yourself if a part of it goes to a good cause. Oh my goodness. You won't believe these colors. You guys. Look at that. It's like the trees outside have turned gold and it's fall right here in my eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful. And listen to the names of these eyeshadows. Respect, elevate, faith, harmony, adored, uplift, accepting, and change. I think those are gorgeous colors. I was kind of afraid that they were going to be super pink or too bright because I don't wear a lot of pink eyeshadow. I feel like if you wear pink eyeshadow, it kind of looks like you spent all night crying about your ex-lover breaking up with you, or maybe you got kicked in the face with a shoe. I don't know. But these colors are really brown and really gold and really purple and really pretty. So I'm excited about this palette. I am happy they sent me a full-size palette in that box. It's so cool. So Anyway, let me know in the comments what your favorite product in this box is, and give me your questions, give me your reactions, tell me everything. I want to hear it all. Let me know what you think about these, and if you have any questions about how to get on the wait list for the box, definitely hit me up in the comments. I'll send you a link. I also have a coupon code. If you ask me, I'll send that to you as well. You can go shopping on their website for discounts off of other awesome products like these. But thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like and comment and ring that bell. I'll see you guys later.